Dear students, today I am here with you to discuss your one of the important paper of your syllabus, which is regarding business research methods. This paper is about various research methods. Those are helpful for the researcher for conducting research, especially in context to business research. So I, Dr. Shailendra, today will tell you basic things, basic topics in brief about this paper. So syllabus of this paper is divided into two sections. One section is Unit 1 and another part of this syllabus is Unit 2. In Unit 1, you have to attempt 2 long questions, and in Unit 2 also you have to attempt 2 long questions. In this way, 4 long questions you will attempt from the syllabus mentioned in Unit 1 and Unit 2. These questions are for 40 marks in total, and you also have to do short answer type questions in the final exams, and these questions are for 20 marks. So in total, your total marks of your paper is 60 marks. So now let us start to discuss main topics regarding this syllabus. In Unit 1, first you will find basic concept regarding research. What is the research? What is the purpose of this research? How one can define the concept of research? What kind of definitions are available given by the experts regarding research? And what is the significance of doing research? Why it is required to conduct research in any discipline? So in this way, starting part of this paper is about introductory part or regarding the basic conceptual information regarding the title of your paper, which is about business research. So as you must be aware about this concept that research is finding something new. In general, what we say as a layman, if we have to understand this term, it's about finding something which is new, or in other sense you can say it is finding something which is hidden actually. Actually, the word research comes from the Latin word which means finding something which is actually hidden. So in this way, while doing research, while finding something new, what would be the process of this research? This is the another topic of your syllabus. Process covers all the steps which are required to conduct a research, like from the very starting point of planning regarding the research, what you have to do, when you have to do, who will do, and at what time you will take this step, what are the methods available in this particular discipline, and from these methods which is suitable for you, you have to decide in advance. And after deciding the method which is appropriate for your research, then next step is to find out the area where you will conduct this research, how you will collect the data, then how you will analyze that information which you will collect through this data, and then how you will report this information, to whom you will report this information, how you present this information. All these things are part of research process. So in advance, researcher has to decide all these steps regarding the conducting research. So in simple sense, you can say another topic in this unit is about designing the research in advance about your particular problem, your particular area of research. So under the another topic, you will learn how to finalize the sample from the total population, so that you will save your time, your money, but results you will get same as one can get by getting data from each and every person of the population. As I already said, that sampling will help us to collect information from small group of person which represent the whole population. So while collecting data, we have two methods of collecting information. Method of data collection, you can say two kind of processes or two kind of methods we have. One is primary source of primary method of collection of data, and another one is secondary source or secondary method of collection of data. Under the primary source of collection of data, person will collect information first time. This information is not already in existence, already not collected by another person. So fresh information person will collect for this particular for his particular research. Under the another method of secondary method of data collection, we already have information in the form of published data, like on various websites we have data, or from government sites we can collect information, from company reports we will collect information, or from magazines, from newspapers we can collect information. So in this way, under the heading of under the topic of secondary data, what are various sources, we will go for those sources and collect information which is appropriate or connected with our research. So in this way, this is another topic you will find under the second unit of your syllabus. So now next topic is about collection of data with the help of questionnaire. In case person has to collect information primarily first time from the public, then what you have to do? You will think about some questions, what kind of information you will collect, what kind of questions you will ask to the person for collecting that information. So you need set of questions. So when we write down number of questions or set of questions regarding that problem, then we will say we have prepared questionnaire. So here another important topic is about preparation of questionnaire. How we will collect primary data, primary information, by preparing the questionnaire, by asking these questions to the public, to the concerned person in the form of interviews. By observation method we can also collect this kind of information. So importance of questionnaire is there, that we have to prepare, we need to prepare questionnaire for collecting that information. Now in context to questionnaire, another important thing is that what should be the scale of data which we collect from the public with the help of questionnaire. What should be scale for that? How we will measure that data? So scaling of questionnaire is another method. How we will measure the data? That we will ask only just simple yes or no question to the public, or some 5-point scales we will ask questions, or subjective based questions we will ask to them. We ask to them to mention whatever they think about that, what kind of views they have regarding that problem, write down those things. Then subjective kind of information we will collect from them. Technically we will say open-ended type of questions we will ask to the person, that whatever you think you can write down in 4 lines, 5 lines in this answer. So in this way, here we have to also decide about the measurement of data, how we will measure our data. So for that we need to finalize the scale of our research work. So here you will find another topic regarding scaling techniques under the topic of questionnaire designing. So after collection of data, we have to present that data. Then for presenting, what we will do through figures, graphs, charts, which method we will follow to present our data, to record our data. This we have to think in advance. So another topic here is about an analysis of data. So after analysis you will get overall information about your research work, so which information you can use to present to the concerned person. So here report writing and presentation is another areas where student needs to think or learn about. So in this way, in this paper you will find two units. One unit is about basic concepts regarding business research methods, and another is about application of those methods for collecting the data. So now I welcome you to inner department for attending PCP and discuss all these topics with your concerned teachers. Thank you.